Hello entrepreneurs! Today, we're unraveling the secrets to a spectacular grand opening. Whether you're launching a brick-and-mortar store or an online business, these 7 ideas will set your launch apart. 1. Elevate the ordinary. Break the mold of a traditional grand opening. If you run a service business, engage your customers with speed dating style free consultations. Home goods retailer? Throw a chic cocktail party featuring your products. 2. Limited edition excitement. Drive activity with a limited edition gift with purchase. Prostainable, a refill shop, gave reusable hemp totes to the first 5 customers daily during its grand opening week. 3. Generosity wins hearts. Go beyond a gift with purchase, give away free samples or products to the early birds. Hey Sugar promoted free treats to the first 100 customers, creating buzz and a line out the door. 4. Reward your supporters. Soft launch with an exclusive event or perk for early fans. Gather feedback, conduct live QA testing, and create a buzz before your big launch. Bath and Beauty Bar's landing page is a great example of building anticipation. 5. Build excitement with a countdown. A coming soon page with a countdown builds anticipation. Use it to collect emails, share behind-the-scenes moments on social media, and get your audience involved in the launch process. 6. Virtual engagement. Opt for a virtual event, especially if in-person isn't feasible. AR Workshop celebrated its grand opening with pickup maker kits and a Facebook Live event. Engage your audience on TikTok, Zoom, or YouTube for a unique online experience. 7. Create buzz with contests. Grow your following, build your email list, and generate user-generated content. Leverage social media to ask followers to take specific actions for a chance to win. Ready to master your grand opening? Implement these ideas, and watch your launch reach new heights.